Assalamu alaikum to all of you and a very warm welcome to the presentation of ORIC manual. The topic which we are going to discuss today is the objective of ORICs. The main objective of ORIC is to develop, expand, enhance and manage the university research program and to link their research activities directly to the educational, social and economic priorities of the university and its broader economy. Besides this, the Office of ORIC is also responsible for assuring that the quality of research reflects the highest international standards. In order to ensure such a standard, the Office of ORICs will have to bring improvement into the environment for all academic and scholarly research by supporting the strategic research directions and policies of universities, improving integration of research and education at all levels of the institution, increasing and diversifying external research funding, improving recruitment and retention of the top faculty members, translating research for the public benefit, improving and strengthening university-industry linkages, promoting entrepreneurship, technology transfer, and commercialization activities which improve and support the economy, promoting and improving multidisciplinary research initiatives. The other topic which we are going to discuss is role of ORIC. The Office of ORIC facilitates the managing of the intellectual assets which mainly stem from faculty and converting them into mind-blowing technologies giving benefits to the society. There is the significant importance of academia and industry linkages for innovation and experimental education model development. In this context, the Office of ORIC facilitates the establishing of collaboration between industry and academic researchers. Especially, Office of ORIC may have the following roles and responsibilities: identification and evaluation of potential ideas, collaboration with potential industry, development of research and technology, commercialization of technology,